Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add a legacy contact to your Apple ID. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the settings app. Locate and click on your Apple ID name. Locate and click on sign in and security. Then hang on. Scroll down. Then click on legacy contact. Click on add legacy contact. Before that, when you add a legacy contact, you need to make sure that this person is a trusted person so that the person will be able to access your iCloud data when you are no more. Also, you need to share your access key and pass down your digital legacy. Then go ahead and click on add legacy contact. Confirm your Face ID or enter your passcode. Now, once you click on add legacy contact, go ahead and search for the name of the person you want to add to legacy contact. There should say access to your legacy. Click on continue. Then as your legacy contact, you will be able to access the data stored on your account after your death. Then the next thing is to share your access key. So print access key or send access key. Then send it to the person. You can also edit the message. And then click on done. And that's it. So that's exactly how to add a legacy contact to your Apple ID account. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.